Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix Slack API authentication error codes. These errors usually happen when your token is outdated or your app does not have the correct permissions. First, open your Slack app settings. Just go ahead and go to api.slack.com and click on your app name. And from here, just go to OAuth and permissions. And in OAuth and permissions, scroll down until you see scopes. And here, make sure scopes like write scope, read scope, and join scope are already added. And if you make any changes to the scope, scroll up and click on reinstall to your workspace immediately to apply everything in one step. After reinstalling, just go ahead and copy the new bot user OAuth token and just click on copy and replace the old token in your code, postman, or integration with this new one. And finally, just go ahead and test your API request once again using the updated token and permission. The key flow is simple. Update scope, reinstall, copy new token, replace old token, and test. And in most cases, this fixes the Slack authentication error completely. And that's it. We just learned how to fix Slack authentication error by updating scopes, reinstalling the app, and using the new OAuth token correctly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial video.